Alright guys, so it's pretty late over here at Ashley's place. What time is it? It's like
9:53.
Almost 10 o'clock at night. We just concluded our little live stream that I'm going to have a card that pops out to up there. This is the current status of the Gazerbeam helmet. Now my goal initially was to try and get this thing like all done. We were going to put the final clear coat on it. We were going to be all done and sweet. No, it didn't work out like that. Reality is life got really busy for me. It took me a lot longer to finish this than I thought. I had the accident where I dropped it, which was really painful, but it's effectively done. Now it definitely needs more paint. You can see probably here on the back, and if you can't, I'll overlay a little something. It needs a little more painting because I wet sanded it, but I actually did go over the logo on stream with some
Rub Buff.
This stuff is seriously
Silver
cool.
Leaf. It is so cool, and a little goes a long way. It's basically a wax with a little bit of color tinted into it.
I seriously need to check this stuff out from all train projects. But the cool idea Ashley had is, what was your thought for the finish on this?
So I thought we can weather this because in the Incredibles movie, you find his helmet when he's already dead and he's been through a lot of battles. So it'd be cool to use the different colors of Rub and Buff to put little scuffs from like when he would have hit someone else's helmet or something.
You could also do a little bit of like dry brushing for different effects, where you like put paint on a brush, take most of it off, and you just really lightly rub it on there. Maybe even like pastels or something.
Yeah, that would
if
be
you have
really
that,
cool.
you know, things like that. So what's going to happen is, on her own time, Ashley's going to come along and she's going to finish this. So you're going to film it, I hope.
Yep, definitely gonna film it.
Good, because this project was actually initially all her idea, and it definitely was a learning experience for me. I will definitely say that putting the pins in here to line everything up, really smart idea. I highly recommend doing that. It was not like a precision fit, but it made it so much easier to fit everything together. I highly recommend doing that. And yeah, it honestly turned out better than I thought overall, including the little boo-boo right there where I dropped it and had to fix it, which was painful, but it happened. So let's pop it on. Like, it barely
fits.
I don't want to hurt you.
Yeah, I got this.
You got this? Well, that concludes this part of the video, guys. I'll see you here next time on Make It With Calvin. Peace out.
Yeah, this is definitely made for a child's head.
Yeah.
So
Shoot. You'll cover the tinting in your video.
So, guess what? So so to get it off, I gotta kind of get this, pull this one ear down, right?
And then I gotta freak out that you're gonna drop it.
And then I come over here and pull this other ear down. And then...
I don't freak out about it dropping.
Well, it came off like this before. There we go.
Does it fit the cat? The cat hates it.
Didn't like it.
Nope.
Elsa the intern, everybody.
This isn't the bloopers reel for today.
Yeah. But yeah, so... Yeah, I think actually we wouldn't even have to scale this up because this way is fine and the depth.
Well, what you can do is you can
curve.
Actually, what you can do
in the ears
in the slicing program is you can actually widen this up a little bit. You can tell it to non-proportionally scale it. You can tell it to widen that by like 10 millimeters or something.
Yeah, it just needs like just that slight.
I mean, if you really were having troubles, you could actually
sand it.
Yeah, it'd be kind of a pain, but you could.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as is because as long as I tuck my ear,
tape it back.
Yeah, I'm not gonna tape my ears back. Tuck it when I like take it on and off.
Yeah.
And really, I'm not gonna be wearing this so often. Like
your Captain something or other hat.
Phasma,
that one's gonna be more like it. Don't eat that. True.
Loopholes.
Yeah, loopholes, because we're not at Maker Faire with the Media Pass.
Yes.
High five.
I just noticed your shirt says I love 3D printing. That's cool.
I love it.
Me too. All right.
Peace out for the second time. I gotta go home.
Yeah.
I got Death Valley in the morning.